Is your neighborhood as loud as in the video? Do you struggle to sleep, study, or focus on your tasks? Then check out this app. It offers different sounds to help you block noise and stay focused. So let me show you each one.